Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a while loop. So first of all I'm just going to create a subroutine and call it while loop. Okay, I'm going to create a scalar variable called my count num. My count number. I'm going to set it to 0. Now we're going to use the while. And we're going to say scalar count. So while scalar count num is less than 10, we're going to do something. I'm going to say scalar count num I'm going to print it out, and then we're going to do count num, and then we'll use this plus plus, which is similar to saying incrementing it by 1. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to call it while loop. Okay, we're just going to call that. Save it first. I'm going to type in here Raku and the name of the program new.raku. Hit enter, and there we go. We started at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so it'll stop before 10 until it's less than 10, so it'll stop at 9. So if you want it to go up to 10, all you have to do is just change this here to 11. Let's just save that and run it again. Okay, there we go. It's gone all the way up to 10 now. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.